Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Jazz Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I have a friend, ma'am, in Malaysia. They are working in Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube
Yes,
channel,
ma'am.
but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree? Can you hear me?
Sorry, ma'am, the connection is full.
Okay, so um, can you hear me now? Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. My name is Herlin Ibiagtan. I am 34 years old. I am, uh, I live in San Pedro, San Quintin, Pangasinan. I have 4 kids, 2 boys and 2 girls. They are 15, 13, 12, and 10 years old. I am a Roman Catholic. My work experience is in Saudi Arabia for 3 years since 2018. August 2018 to September 2021, and here in the Philippines, um, January 2023 to July 2024.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single with live-in partner, single mom, or married?
I have a live-in partner, ma'am.
Single with live-in partner.
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
I was born on January 20, 1990, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 147 centimeter and my weight is 67.
67.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your educational background? Are you elementary graduate or high school graduate?
Full level, ma'am. Fourth year high
Okay.
school, ma'am.
So who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My parents and my husband, ma'am.
Okay, how old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
He is 32 years old, ma'am, and he is a farmer.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother, ma'am, and I have 3 sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the second in the family, ma'am.
You are the second. Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience in KSA way
Mm.
back 2018 to 2021 and you finished your contract and you worked there for 3 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in KSA?
My previous duty in KSA, ma'am, I only clean, cook, all that, ma'am. I don't have any taking care, kids taking care like that, ma'am. I don't
So
have
you
any
do
kids.
so you do house chores only, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am. All
Okay.
the household,
So what happened? Why you decided to go back
ma'am.
home in the Philippines and didn't continue working to this employer?
Saudi Arabia, ma'am, is so hard country. I have a lot of house to clean and they are big, and my my employer, my madam, will your sister's daughter house to clean. I am finished 1 a.m. in the morning.
Oh, okay.
That's
So
don't want to come back to Saudi, ma'am.
okay. So you stuck also in Philippines for almost 3 years and you decided to come back to work again here in Malaysia. Okay. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
in
ma'am.
But way back 2023 to 2024, you work as a housemaid in the Philippines, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I know in which place in the Philippines?
Here in Manila, ma'am.
Manila. Okay, what are your duties?
Santa Mesa, Manila.
What are your duties there?
My duties, ma'am, is to cook, clean the house, washing clothes, taking care of the dogs. Two dogs, ma'am. One French bully and one beagle. And just only one adult, ma'am.
Oh,
She is taking school, ma'am, in college.
okay. So you work there for 1 year, is it?
1 year and 6 months, ma'am.
1 year and 6 months. So until now, you still working there or?
Yes, ma'am. I'm still working until this July 2022 po.
Oh, okay. July 2024,
Yes, ma'am.
presently. Okay. So you know that being a domestic helper is you need to be flexible, right? I know it is a very tough job. So you need to be multitasking because there is no such a thing also that you will just do house chores only. While we are inside our employer's premises, we need to do whatever, like if we saw there is some children, we need also to take care of them, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you okay to take care children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Ma'am?
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can take care pets also because you already got experience to your recently employer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, it's not 1 year. You will going to sign a 2 years contract. If anything might happen back to your family in the Philippines, please be reminded that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once you breach your contract, also you know what will be the consequences, which is you need to pay your employer. At the same time, the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I know, ma'am.
Okay, so Herlene, I would like to let you know our rules and regulations here. You cannot easily go back. You cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But rather than, you can hold it during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. On your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week. But you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you are not allowed to go out. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to pay your salary. Do you agree all these terms?
Yes, ma'am. I agree, ma'am.
Okay, I just wanted to let you know in our initial interview about our terms and conditions here. Because we don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to complain us regarding about our rules and regulations. You will complain us that, ma'am, I don't know about these things. No such a thing because I already explained to you in our initial interview about our terms and conditions, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you stuck in Philippines for almost 3 years and you didn't have this is it will be your first again to work abroad and you were longing for your children. So anything your homesickness will strikes you, right? Because we don't know even we are working quite too long in other countries, there was just some days that homesickness will strikes us. So what will you do once your homesickness strikes you?
If I feel the homesickness, ma'am, I will make myself busy and do my responsibility as a DH. I will make household work, ma'am.
Okay. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Herlin. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
It's
connected
my
through
pleasure,
WhatsApp
ma'am.
because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Have a good day.